learners, in this lesson we are going to look at oral literature revision questions. You are required to state the appropriate steps or stages in a riddling process or a riddling cycle. Our first stage is invitation. In this first stage, the challenger draws the attention of the audience using an opening formula. For instance, have a riddle, or you may say riddle riddle. Our second stage is acceptance. In this stage, respondent responds or accepts to take the challenge. For instance, they say throw it, or they may say riddle come. Our third stage is the challenge itself, or the riddle. In this stage, the challenger poses or gives the challenge, which is the riddle. Onto our next stage, we have guesses or answers, and this is where respondents try to answer or provide guesses. We jump onto the next stage, which is the prize, and in this stage, challenger asks for a prize in order to provide a solution in cases where respondents fail to answer it. The prize is given, and finally the challenger accepts it. Our last stage is the solution. In this stage, the challenger gives the right answer to the puzzle posed. Our second area, we are going to highlight the reasons why we study oral literature. For one, we study oral literature because it is a form of education. It helps to educate the little ones into knowing the culture of a particular society. Our second reason why we study oral literature is to understand our culture. We also study oral literature to understand our history. We study oral literature as a form of entertainment, and we also study it for recreation or leisure purposes. This is to pass time, and lastly for national integration. We are also going to look at the body languages which are used in studying oral literature. One, we have nodding, smiling, sitting posture should be upright or the learner should lean forward, dancing, clapping or applauding, laughing, frowning,